Hello friends, welcome to Kapil Joshi tutorial. It's me Dr. Kapil Joshi and I'm here with all latest videos in Python coding. Through this channel, you will find much more tutorials and tips to upgrade your programming skills. Daily I upload new videos for you, so hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So we are started with Python interpreter. In this slide, we are discussing the Python interpreter and provides some example Python commands along with their outputs. So let's break it down in detail. So key points about Python interpreter. Python is an interpreted language. This means that Python does not need compilation before execution, unlike languages such as C or Java. So Python code is executed line by line by the interpreter, making debugging and testing easier. If we are talking about interactive environment, the Python interpreter allows users to enter commands and get instant feedback. This is very useful for testing small code and performing calculation and understanding how Python works. So results of Python are printed on the screen. As you can see, whenever you enter an expression in the interpreter, the result is immediately displayed. So Python interpreter examples command like first is arithmetic operation. So basically all some kind of numeric values 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Here 3 plus 7 is a simple arithmetic expression. The interpreter calculates the sum and immediately prints 10. Second one is Boolean compression. So Python code, like we are talking about 3 less than 15. That is condition true. The expression 3 less than 15 checks if 3 is less than 15 and so on. We just printing all the values as per the conditions. Since the condition is true, then Python outputs true. Third one is string output, that it prints print me. If you enter a string without using the prints function, Python simply returns and display the string. Fourth one is print using the print function, that prints me. This line of code doesn't follow Python 3 syntax, it follow Python 2 syntax. So in Python 2, print was used without parenthesis. So hello world in Python 3 print requires parenthesis. And we are talking about some kind of languages. We can see hello world, if you run print me in Python 3, it will give a syntax error. So difference between Python 2 and Python 3. So basically Python 2, it is used to print as a statement without parenthesis, and Python 3 treats print as a function with parenthesis. For example, Python 3 syntax as a print me. Conclusion is all about the Python interpreter is an interactive tool that executes code immediately. So it can perform calculations, comparisons, and print results. So the actual syntax of print has changed between Python 2 and Python 3 syntaxes. So to ensure compatibility, always use print with parenthesis in modern Python version. So we almost covered the all expression that comes under the Python, that is called Python interpreter. Now we'll move to the next screen, that is called purely expression. So this particular slide provides an explanation of expression in Python, covering arithmetic operators, precedence, and evaluation operator. So let's go through the details step by step. First one is expression. Expression, it means an expression is a combination of values, variable, and operators that compute a result. For example, Python copy 1 plus 4 asterisk 3. So here 1 plus 3, 1 plus 4 asterisk 3 is an expression that particularly follows the rules of operator precedence. The result is computed as 13, not 15. So because multiplication has a higher precedence than addition. So this is the important factors while we are computing all the values at the same time. So another example, added 42, like we can say all particular values. This is also an expression since it evaluates a particular value. Second one is arithmetic operators in Python. So basically Python provides multiple arithmetic operators to perform mathematical operations. So this slide lists these operators. We are talking about one by one, like plus sign addition, minus sign that is subtraction, third one is multiplication sign that is called asterisk sign, and fourth one is division slash sign. We can say forward backslash sign that is called floating point, and modulus sign, percentile sign. Isme like we are talking about remainder after division, and some kind of double asterisk sign, exponentials power sign. For example, Python basically 5 plus 3 we are talking about, simply we can say we are talking about the addition 5 plus 3 addition, that is 8, 10 minus 4 subtraction is equal to 6, 6 asterisk 2 multiplication 12, 8 divided by 2 division 4, 4.0 we can say division sign, 10 percentile 3 that is modulus sign, remainder will be the 1, the particular remainder of 10 divided by 3, and 2 double asterisk 3 exponential that is called as a 8, remainder 8, 2 raised to the power of 3. So we can say all the arithmetic operators we are talking about with the help of some kind of values. So we have already taken these examples. Third one is operator precedence. Operator precedence, it determines which operations are performed first in an expression. So operators with higher precedence are evaluated before those with lower precedence. So precedence basically order in Python that is called exponential, highest, double asterisk sign, and single asterisk, backslash, and some kind of modulus sign that is multiplication, division, and modulus sign with the help of some addition and subtraction sign. So we are taking an example, 1 plus 3 asterisk 4 is 13. That is the multiplication has higher precedence than addition plus. So Python basically evaluates 3 asterisk 4 first 12, then adds first. Result will be 13. So fourth one is using parentheses to control precedence. So we can override precedence by using parentheses sign, which force certain operations to be computed first. So we are taking an example with parentheses, 1 plus 3 asterisk 4. Here 1 plus 3 is actually evaluated first because parentheses have the highest precedence. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 multiplied by 4. So final result will be 16. So we are just summarizing our video in terms of the all key takeaways. Expression consists of values and operation that compute a result. Arithmetic operators in Python include plus sign, subtraction, division, modulus, and asterisk sign. So operator precedence determines the order of evaluation. Double asterisk sign that is called exponential has highest precedence, and asterisk sign, backslash, and your modulus sign come next have some lowest precedence in terms of addition and subtraction. So parentheses can be used to change the default precedence and force a specific order of evaluation. So I hope you understood all those things. So you have watched my video till the end and like it. If you found anything interesting in this video, please let me know in the comment section. So do not forget to subscribe my channel So thank you for watching the video.